Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're going to do a full unboxing. This is something from TAMIYA, the modern U.S. Army infantrymen in desert uniform. And this is the 1/16th scale World Figure Series number 8. So this was obtained several years ago. We're just going to go ahead and actually cut the cellophane. So again, full unboxing here. That way we can get a clear look at what we got going on. Although I really want to keep it on there. Well, at least we cut the seal. So let's take a quick look at the front here. Here we can see it here. Looks like a DCU type uniform. Looks like gas mask bag. Some format of the M16. You can see here we're still with the round handguards. Pistol. Some sort of low-bearing gear. We got pouches. Notice, though, it is kind of in the more woodland green. So that kind of accounts to the supply issue at the time. Anything that was able to be sent into the field was sent into the field. So uniforms were plenty, but the gear, load-bearing equipment was harder to catch up to, as you can see here from the color variations. Let's see if we continue on the edges. This is item 36308 130000. Barcode. Again, desert camouflage, 3 colors. A little bit of description there. As well as, again, the woodland camouflage components. Different side of the edge there. And a little bit of some of the accessories included. If we look on the back, we can see here some various poses as well as, paint suggestions for completion. And I'm trying to see on the fly a quick year here. You can see here country of origin of this particular model is Philippines. And 2003 is this particular molding. Let's go ahead and open this. I might have to free up a little bit more of the plastic wrapping. Not really a cellophane. It is actually more of a plastic wrap. So it's still very pliable, I notice. So something maybe particular to the Philippines when they wrapped it up. Pretty cool. Number there. Trying to see what's on the inside here. Really don't want to disturb it too much. Let's see here. Here we have one instructions insert. Again, item 36308. Some caution instructions. This looks very gear item specific. There you can see some nods, etc. Yeah, this is definitely for tuning up the final gear there. Let's take a look at the inner bags. Here we can see here one parts tree. Right there, if you can read that. Inserted in this bag are some clear pieces, including the goggles, and looks like a couple other pieces as well, possibly. I'm not quite sure. Let's continue with this part here. Looks like this is actually the assembly instructions, and this is more, as they say, important information for handling. So I'm a little hesitant again to open this because I'm not sure if I'm actually going to build this up into a period 90s Gulf War figure, or if I want to go ahead and do a full-blown 21st century current conflict figure now that we're in 2026 and things, tend to fluctuate around the world. So you can always tailor uh, a 1/16th figure with the appropriate gear as you want to do actually customize. I'm just noticing here, looks like possibly a belt was included in here as well, or some sort of harness loop. Let's see if we can actually decipher that. Can't really hear, but again, here's another look for you on the level of the instructions. But taking a very quick look, unboxing real time of the 2003 version, I believe, if we look back on the barcode there, of the 1/16th scale World Figure Series number 8, the modern U.S. Army infantrymen in desert uniform, if you desire to paint it that way. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out our unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.